Hi, this is Loretta coming with another video, and this time it's for Scrapbooking with Me Boutique, and this is the first installment of the Start to Finish series that I am doing to make a paper organizer for scrap cardstock. This is going to be a paper organizer that will hang over the door. So let's get started. I wanted something strong to be able to hold the, I guess you would call them containers that I'm going to be making. So what I did is I went to my local fabric store and I got some muslin. Muslin is pretty inexpensive and it's very easy to tear into strips. I bought 3 yards of it. This is so that I could have 3-yard lengths to go over my door. I'm not concerned that I've got a lot of this left over because I plan on making ribbon out of what's left over. So I'm not concerned about that. You could use canvas. There's all kinds of different things that you could use. I wanted something that was strong and fairly thin, and so I tore 2 panels that are 3 yards by approximately 4.5. Actually, this one's 5 and this is 4.5. I didn't measure them, so I'm not really concerned about that, but I will show you how easy this is to do. And all you do is I'm going to measure out, since I got one strip 5 inches, I'm going to go ahead and measure 5 inches, okay? Now I'm going to make me a little tick line. And then on this muslin, all you do is take your scissors. Let me get my big scissors. All you do is take and cut a little length like that, and then just tear. So there's my strip, and right there you can see it, and I will take and fray this just a little bit. I'm not going to sit here and do it on camera. So you're going to need 2 lengths of this ribbon, and I wanted mine nice and wide because I want it to be really, really strong. So 2 lengths of the ribbon, whatever kind you want to use, but you know, you can feel free to use what I used or what have you. Then you are also going to need 10 sheets of chipboard. Now, I'm using medium weight chipboard, but you could use lightweight chipboard. I think it will work just fine. I think it will be plenty strong once we add the design paper to it. You could use cereal boxes if you wanted to. You can use actual lightweight chipboard, or you can use medium weight chipboard, whatever you prefer. And all of these are cut 10 inches by 12 inches. So that's 10 inches this way by 12 inches this way. Then you are also going to need 5 strips of the same chipboard. And these are 1 inch this way by 12 inches this way. So 1 by 12. And you'll need 5 of those. Then you're also going to need, and I did this out of just plain, I have a stack of craft cardstock, and that's what I'm using. I got this 50% off at Hobby Lobby. I keep it all the time. This craft cardstock. And you're going to need 20 strips that are 1 inch by 12 inch, and you're going to score all of those at a 1/2 inch. You're also going to need 10 strips that look like this. And what you're going to notice about these is that they are skinny to wide. You're going to take your craft cardstock. You could use white cardstock or black cardstock or whatever you have on hand. I'm just using this because I have it. And what you're going to do is you're going to come down at the bottom of this page and you're going to measure in 1 inch and you're going to make a tick mark. And then you're going to come to the opposite side of this and you're going to make 2 inches and you're going to make a little tick mark. Is you'll connect these 2 tick marks, one dot to the other dot, just like this. This is what you'll do, and you'll just connect that, alright, like that, and you can see that line. And then, pardon me, I've got a little bit of a sniffly nose tonight, I'm sorry. And then what you will do is you will put that in your paper trimmer and you will line up your tick marks. Just like so. Just like that. And then there you have it. You have your strips. So you're going to need 10 of those strips like that. Then what you're going to do is all of these strips that you cut out, the ones that I told you that you would need 20 of these that are 1 inch by 12 inches, and you're going to go ahead after you score them and put red line tape or score tape or some type of really strong adhesive on these strips.